Hello, my name's Zoe Ainsworth-Grigg, and I'm here to introduce you to my latest children's story. I write, I paint, and I illustrate. Please sit back and I enjoy the story. The Fiz Bird. It was dark and uncomfortable, and Fiz decided to move. Fiz struggled and pecked, and out popped a head. Then he struggled, and out popped two legs. Peeping from the shed door, there was grass, and the grass smelled nice. The grass felt good on his feet and tasted nice to eat. Then a wiggly squiggly worm passed by, and Fiz wanted to play. But the wiggly worm just squiggled away. Interesting things were high in the air. Fiz was hungry and Fiz stared. On tiptoe Fiz pecked at the store, and a birdseed fell to the floor. A small round ball came prickling by. Fiz looked it in the eye. "You are strange," Fiz said to his friend. "So are you," Hedgehog replied. "Let's be friends and go inside." Big Fiz then came along and said, "What a day you have had, Fiz, but now it's time for bed." "Night, night, everybody," Fiz said.